Jack had just finished offering incense to his grandma. In the photo, grandma suddenly reached out her hand and took a piece of bok choy. But when Jack saw this scene, he wasn't scared at all. Instead, he patiently waited for grandma to finish eating. It turned out that Jack had a special ability since he was young. He could see the souls of the deceased. On this day, he was invited to his friend's house because there was an eerie human-shaped mark on the wall. No matter if they tried to wipe it off with water or cover it up, it had no effect whatsoever. The mark would quickly reappear. In order to find out the truth, his friend asked Jack to take a look at what exactly was on the wall. Unexpectedly, with just a glance from Jack, that soul actually jumped down from the wall and grabbed Jack's ankle directly. Before Jack could even react, he was dragged to the door by a mysterious force. Realizing how dangerous this place was, they immediately fled. But this bizarre video happened to be seen by the landlord. To avoid the house being considered haunted and affecting its rental or sale, the landlord promptly invited two master exorcists, preparing to eliminate the soul on the wall. Who would have thought these two masters were completely unable to subdue it and quickly collapsed to the ground? Just then, Jack rushed to the scene, and they were shocked to see the eerie human-shaped mark actually caught on fire. The scene changes. Jack gets busy in the kitchen. Very soon, a bowl of fried rice is ready. He thinks back to that night, seeing an unfinished box of fried rice next to this ghost, and associates it with grandma eating offerings at the funeral. He speculates that this ghost may have died hungry, so he decides to make some food for him. As an incense stick is lit, quickly, Jack sees the ghost start to eat the food he prepared. The people beside him are still puzzled, but soon they notice a horrifying scene. The human-shaped mark on the wall gradually starts to dissipate. This exorcism was very successful. However, the lawyer secretly tells the landlord his grandfather's other properties are also facing similar issues, asking him how he plans to handle it. After this incident, the landlord makes up his mind to stay and deal with these tricky problems left by his grandfather. So one night, Jack quietly sneaks into the landlord's room. The landlord is quickly startled awake. The landlord asks him why he ran over here. It just so happens that Jack's dream is to have a house of his own, and the landlord needs to resolve the property issues left by his grandfather. So they start working together, forming a small exorcism squad.